The corridors of power at ZANU-PF headquarters in Harare are usually alive with the hum of political machinations, but lately a different kind of sounds is taken over. The quiet methodological clicking of a door being locked from the inside as the ruling party intensifies its push for a controversial constitutional amendment to extend President Emerson Mnangagwa term to 2030. A silent panic is unfolding within the upper echelons of the revolutionary movement. What the party portrays as stability and routine reassignment is, upon closer inspection, a ruthless consolidation of power designed to clear the path for a lifelong presidency. The silent peg, why top ZANU-PF and police officials are suddenly retiring before 2030. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. The recent acceptance of controversial businessman Paul Tungwarara into the ZANU-PF Central Committee is merely the tip of a much larger iceberg. Tungwarara's co-option, which followed months of stalling and internal friction in Manicaland province, was finally rubber-stamped by the Politburo in late February 2026. Jogo Mutenda, the veteran Speaker of Parliament, has found his position increasingly precarious. Reports suggest that Mutenda may soon be forced to relinquish his role as the party seeks to install a more energetic loyalist who will oversee the legislative hurdles required for the 2030 extension. These are not just political reshufflings, they are the deliberate removal of anyone who might offer even a whisper of dissent when the time comes to amend the constitution. Panoposta ma official names wakaita sana Obet Mpofu, Jogo Mutenda, Dorothy Mabika, senior therapy officials. They're the reason for shift. So you can see there's some reasons like perceived successionist sympathies, need for 2030 legislative enforcer, cleared path for Tungwarara, loyalists concerned with the security sector. These are some of the reasons why they are being shifted from their position. And behind the scenes, the mechanics of the peg are as simple as they are terrifying. Loyalty tests are being conducted with clinical precision within the party's provincial structures. The 2030 slogan has become a mandatory liturgical chant. Those who fail to recite it with enough enthusiasm or who hesitate to endorse the Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3 find themselves facing sudden, devastating consequences. These range from security concerns that necessitate their immediate removal for their own protection to certain aggressive corruption audits. As the 2030 term extension gains momentum, the silent peg is also reached a security sector in January 2026. The government forcibly retired 11 senior ZRP officials and is reportedly reassigning dozens more in March. The strategic move, which has gone largely unexplained in official circles, is a clear attempt to ensure that the security apparatus is fully aligned with the president's long-term vision. The removal of these high-ranking officers, many of whom had decades of experience, has created a power vacuum that is quickly being filled by loyalists. Doma developments are kubuda pangwa in Zimbabwe. Na comment section medu za funguro any more to be from Celebrity Twitch. So subscribe or like, continue to turn on the bell icon.